Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia RedMagic 11 Air, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you will want to hold your power button, and from the boot options we're going to hold power off. Okay, this actually doesn't bring up our safe mode, so we're going to turn it off in this case. And if I remember correctly, in this case it's going to be in the recovery mode, which I think we access by holding power button and volume down, though it's about to be seen if I'm correct. Now when you have the RedMagic show up, let go of the power button but keep holding volume down. Looks like it's volume up instead. Let's try that again then. So again, I'm gonna let go of the power button. There we go. So in here, I'm gonna navigate to advanced options, which we do using volume button. So I'm gonna start pressing volume down a couple times, power button to confirm it, and there is our safe mode. So click on the power button again, and this will now boot the device into safe mode. As you can see it right now, we are in safe mode. The marking at the bottom says so, and also in this mode, widgets and some of the applications will be disabled. Now, the applications that will be disabled are ones that are not part of like the core Android operating system, the applications that would come by default with it. So any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the device will be able to start it up, and this is done for troubleshooting purposes. As an example, if you are an app developer and you created some kind of app that is causing a complete kind of chaos on your system and you can't really use your device, you would boot it into safe mode, and from there you can get rid of it. Although I think to get rid of it you would need to go through the settings and then through apps and see all apps and find it in here. Maybe not this one. This one can be deleted. Can this be deleted? Yes, it can. So you can then remove it from here. Now, once you're done troubleshooting your device, you can go back to the normal mode by holding the power button again and then pressing on the restart twice. And this will reboot the device and bring us back to normal mode. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.